Morning guys, Sunday morning, up early. Bit of an overcast day. I think we've got 21 today, maybe a little bit of rain. Just opposite a golf course here. I know what I'd rather be doing, playing golf. Just about to catch up with a group of guys. We're going to head down to a bike show in town, low riders and all sorts of stuff. So bit of a competition. I think trophies, stuff like that given away. So let's see how we go. So guys, you would have seen I just got a wet bum. Just thought I'd stop and get myself a Vietnamese coffee, have something to eat. Still probably got about 40 k's till I get home. So plenty of nice bikes at the bike show. Good turnout. I think it was their first one. So yeah, plenty of load riders and stuff. So a bit hard to get some footage there. There's a lot of people and the bikes were pretty crammed in, but it was good turnout nonetheless. So anyway, I'll just finish this and get back on the bike and we'll see how we go.